been a John Deere of the same era or even 10 years newer, we would have to plug that thing in at 54 degrees before it'll start. This is a 1969 International Harvester 856 diesel with 4 wheels. Only the ones in the back drive. It's 3 years younger than I am. In much better shape. Its feet don't hurt. It's got some pretty good shoes. It's got oil all over the engine just like me. Could use some new paint. Just like me. Losing a bit of hair, just like me. Lights all work, unlike me. What else, Hank?
I don't know.
Right now I'm going to make it work really hard by backing it down about 50 feet. Turning the PTO on and reeling out some silage from that wagon. Alright, you get to work too, Henry. Don't break the new door.
Okay. Yes, while I was at school, the new door came. And Dad installed it before we got home. I've missed this door. Be careful. Didn't shut all the way. There we go. Okay. Gotta clean mine. Good it fits. See, yesterday I came home from school and I was backing the spreader up, and that little ring on the back tailgate, I don't know why they put it there, it's such a pain. Anyway, I was backing up and it hit that thing right there, and it must have hit it hard enough, because when I hit it, it jerked these anchors out of the wall. As you can probably see, there's concrete missing because it came out yesterday when I hit it. So we made a trip to the hardware store and we got ourselves some anchors, came back, we're fixing it. We had to re-drill a bunch of these holes, and then we put all the anchors in. By the time we were actually cleaning barn, it's about 6:30, quarter to 7. Got back into the barn about 7 o'clock or so. Then George and I finished the bedding and feeding. I was in by 7:30. So it was kind of a late night last night. The reason it didn't fit is because Sunday night we got a few inches of snow. And then Tuesday night we got an inch or two more. And it had gotten, I think, a little bit warmer, and there's constantly water dripping out of this. So I had filled in my rut, so the manure spreader was a lot higher. So it looked good until it got up to where it elevated, and then it just went whoop, doosh, right into the barn cleaner. But that's all fixed now, and hopefully nothing breaks today. Alrighty, I'm heading out to my tractor now. At first, when I turned the barn cleaner on, it moved only a little bit. Then didn't want to move anymore. Dad, being the genius he is, just walked up and said, "You need to tighten the belt." We tighten the belt and it's fine. Oh yeah, I have a door. Oh, nice. Maybe it'll actually get warm in here now. Hey, this isn't one of those flashing Christmas light displays. Do it like you're supposed to. Ooh, it's actually warm in here. Yeah, take the door. Okay then. All done hauling manure. And I just have to go back and park this. The store does help a lot. Keeps all the wind out. Makes it a lot quieter. And a lot warmer. And it's 5:06 and the sun's still that high in the sky. Daylight savings time is my best friend. After Jesus, of course. Okie dokie. Guess that'll have to be all for this video. That felt good. I haven't been able to do that for a while. Well, hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.